friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Veena Poral here. Today I am sharing job update from Infosys company. To know the eligibility criteria, application process and salary package, watch this video till the end. Before going to start, if you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. So without further delay, let's get started. Infosys is hiring candidates for process executive role and it is for Bangalore location. Also those who are staying in Pune, Gurgaon, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mysore, Mangalore, Ghaziabad and Jaipur can also apply for this position. But after selection you need to relocate to Bangalore. So those who are willing to work at Bangalore can apply for this role. This is a full-time permanent job and salary you will get paid is up to 45,000 per month based on your skills and experience. Coming to the eligibility criteria, both postgraduates and graduates who have completed BE, BTech, BA, BCom, BBA, BSc, BCA, ME, MTech, MCA, MA, MCom, MSc and MBA from 2018 to 2023 batch are eligible. Here they have mentioned job description. As a process executive, you need to resolve customers' issues efficiently. You should be proactive and showing the utmost respect for the customer's time. You should maintain good time management, ensuring all contacts with the customers add value. Now let me tell you the selection process. Firstly, you need to complete the application process. After submitting your application, if your profile is shortlisted, then you need to complete the online test and clear the interview. So I am going to show you the complete details of application process and submission. Firstly, you need to scroll down and tap on the click here button. So it will be redirected to another page. So what you have to do, tap on that click to proceed button. Now to submit the form, firstly you have to register. Now click on that register button. Now complete your registration by entering your first name, middle name, last name, your existing email ID and your password and confirm the same. And finally click on that box and submit. After completion of registration, they will send a link to your existing email ID to verify your email address. Now to update your account, click on that link. It will be redirected to login page. Here tap on that click here to proceed and update it. Finally log in again and enter your details like your date of birth, interview city, your phone number and your gender. Also attach your resume and submit it. To play this role, I have provided the job link in description, and if you are facing any problem while completing the registration, you can ask me in comment section.